What is up, YouTube? Today we have an upper body dumbbell workout for you guys. We're gonna be needing one medium and one light pair of dumbbells, as well as an incline bench. So grab your equipment, we're gonna get right into this workout. Let's go. All right, everybody, we're starting the day with single arm overhead presses. We're in this wide position with our legs and we're trying to sit upright here. So we got 20 seconds on the right. Keep that core nice and strong and tight. And then we're gonna go 20 seconds on that left side. Keep that breath held in nice and tight. Keep that core engaged as you press that weight overhead. Good. Now we're gonna go right to that left side. Same thing. I like keeping my opposite arm out, kind of braced to keep myself nice and level. Try not to turn and twist and press. Keep that body as square as you can. A couple more seconds and we're gonna get right to our incline rows on the bench. Perfect. Good. Let's get on that bench now. Chest on the bench, lean over, grab those dumbbells, and let's get right into these rows. You want to keep the elbows tight to the rib cage and squeeze that back. Good, that's it. As you pull up, you can get a slight extension on your spine. Lift that chest slightly. You don't want to pull it off the bench totally, but squeeze that back, and let's fire up that upper body. That's it. Perfect. Same exact set, you guys can increase weight if you felt like anything was too light, or decrease if it was too challenging. But let's get right into it. Right back onto that right side. Nice strong 20 seconds. Drive that weight up to the best position you can handle overhead without those legs kind of sliding back and bending. Drill them into the ground and press. Perfect. Now we're gonna go right to that left side again. Get that arm out there, brace it, core tight, right up top. Perfect, guys. You gotta really pull that lower belly button down and in as you drive overhead. Think about pushing the back of your knees down into the floor with those legs tight so you can stay in that tough position here. And then again, you're gonna go right back to those incline rows. Last few seconds. Let's get on that bench quick. Perfect. Good. Drop that weight right on the bench, right into those incline rows. Grab those dumbbells, right into it. Just a nice controlled pace. We're not trying to speed through this right now. Just getting good reps at a normal pace through this 20 seconds. And squeeze that back. Pull those shoulder blades together and feel those lats engage. Last few reps. And perfect. Drop those weights, breathe, and we'll get right into that next set. Okay, last set, here we go. Let's get right into it. Keep that core engaged. Drive that right arm up there. And let's just finish this set. Perfect, guys. Firing up those shoulders and back to start the day. Getting them lit up. Big drive overhead. We'll get a couple seconds of breathing and get right to that left arm. Keep that core tight, come on. Drive that arm up there. Perfect. Down, let's hit that left now. Come on, let's go. Arm out there, brace that core. Go. Inhale, brace your core. Exhale at the top. Finish that left side. Come on, last few reps. Get that weight up there. We're gonna get right into those rows. Down, big drive. And good, drop that weight right to those incline rows. Let's see what we got. Again, when you guys are grabbing these dumbbells, keep those elbows tight to the rib cage. Stay out of your traps and neck. You don't want to come up to the top and crunch everything up there. You want to pull down almost towards your pockets on your pants or towards your hips, and you'll really feel the mid lat engage, lower lat engage. You'll feel that whole thing. Keep squeezing. Last few seconds. And perfect, good. Drop those weights, nice set. Okay, everybody, we're getting into our next circuit. We're starting with dumbbell alternating incline press. So we're laying on our bench, alternating our chest press from the top. Get both arms up there and you alternate from there. You want to keep those weights on a nice 45-degree angle. Try not to flare those elbows out wide or keep them too tight. Alternate from the top. Perfect. And good. Put those down and we're going to get right on the ground for our single arm hand plank rows. Right side first, left hand in the ground, pull with the right arm. If that's a lot for you, I want you to put your left knee down on the ground and then you could try to row with that right arm there. And again, if that's even too much, you can go both knees down and just give me that right arm row. If not, you're in that full hand plank position and giving me that right arm row. Perfect. And good. Put that left arm down, get ready to rock with the left dumbbell. Left hand plank position, rip it. Again, if the right knee needs to go down, that's fine. Get that strong hand plank position, rip that dumbbell. Now we're hitting a little bit of upper chest and hitting that again, just like we did before. Get that dumbbell up there, let's finish this set. Perfect, lean over that arm as best you can. And down, rest, good first set. Okay, everybody, second round, same movements, you know the deal. If you have to increase weight, go for it. If you felt like things were too easy, or if you couldn't get through the set, drop down on either exercise. Get back into that alternating press. Keep your core as braced as you can. When that one dumbbell's holding and the other one's down, it's gonna kind of tug you a little bit. You gotta balance and press it. Good, last few reps. And good, down, hit the ground, right to those hand plank rows, right on. Let's go, nice hand plank position. Rip that dumbbell up. Try your best not to rotate too much as you hit that dumbbell. Stay over that arm. You want to feel like your shoulder, elbow, and wrist are all lined up as you pull. Try not to push that butt back and shy away, right? Stay over it and work. Last rep, and good. Right to the other side, same thing. Elbow, wrist, shoulder, all lined up in one straight line. I'm working my right arm just as much as I am my left. Core tight, and rip that left side. If you're struggling, you can open up the feet a little wider. That'll help you balance a little bit. Come on, last few reps on that left. Stay strong. Let's finish this second round and we'll get to the third and final set. And down, good job. Okay, last set here, guys. We're doing the same thing, but this time, I want both arms together on that chest press. We're just gonna burn it out. So get all the way down there, drive. You can increase the pace a little bit in this round on these chest presses. Good, keep working. We got about 6 seconds to go. Down and drive it, come on. Get those weights up there, get that nice stretch on your chest. Big press, down, good work. Right to those rows. On this third set now, you know what position you can handle, so get right into it and go. Open the feet if you need to, put the knee down if you need to. If not, you're down here and you're working for the next 20 seconds each arm. Come on. Finish this round, let's go. Keep that body square, lean over that arm, pull that dumbbell back. Last few reps, get that up there, come on. And good. Right to this left arm in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Lean over it and pull. Awesome, guys. Come on, left arm, finish this round, and you guys can rest, come on. Stay over that hand. Stay strong with it, don't shy away. Finish those last few seconds, all the way through this round. Last 2 reps. And awesome, nice work. Okay, everybody, next circuit, we're starting with our incline dumbbell flies. We're slightly putting a bend into that elbow, and you're opening up that chest to get that nice stretch there. I want you to feel like you're pulling those shoulder blades back as those weights get down there, and like you're lifting your chest towards the ceiling to get that big stretch on those pecs and working a little bit of those shoulders. Perfect. Now we're gonna keep those dumbbells in our hand. Pull them together. You're gonna go down to the chest and press. We're gonna burn out those shoulders and chest here, all the way down and press. Lock those elbows at the top. That's it. Keep those dumbbells tight. If you can't get them in there, at least keep the dumbbells right along that rib cage and your elbows tight from there. If not, we're holding them together and finishing these presses. Our last movement is now gonna go into our incline skull crushers. 1 or 2 dumbbells, whatever you can handle. Bend those elbows back, feel that nice stretch on that tricep, and lift towards the top. Bend back towards the top. I want you reaching above the head slightly here, more towards the top of your head. Try to get a little more stretch on those triceps, and then drive up from there. Let's finish this set, let's go. Got about a couple seconds to go. Last few reps on these, and perfect, good work. Second set, everybody, you know the deal. Increase weight if you need to or if you can, and let's get right into this next set. All the way back, get that nice stretch on that chest, and drive it up, let's go. Let's get a good set in here. 20 seconds on each movement. Remember, we're going right into those squeeze presses right after these chest flies. Pull those dumbbells back, get them up there. Perfect, take one quick breath for me, dumbbells together, and now here we go. All the way down, press it. Now, this is our second round. I want you to pick that pace up a little more. You know the movement. You can get these things going a little bit. Let's fire up those triceps. Get those shoulders burning a little chest in there. Come on, down and drive it. Last few seconds, and you're gonna get right into those skull crushers in 3, 2, perfect. Drop 1 dumbbell or stay with 2. Get yourself set, and let's go. Bend those elbows back. Fire it out, good. Give me a little more pace now. Don't smack that forehead. Let's go. Get back there and go. Burn those triceps up. Now you're starting to feel it. They're kicking in the second round. You're increasing that pace a little bit. Maybe you increase the weight. You guys are working hard. Come on, last few reps. Get to that rest period. And good. Second set down. Okay, everybody, here we go. Last round. Let's burn these arms out. Let's go. We got a couple adjustments we're gonna make in this set. We'll go over in a second. I want you to stay with the normal fly that we've been doing. When we get into those squeeze presses, I don't want you to fully extend the arms at the top. I don't want those elbows to lock. I want you to go all the way down like you were before, but only up to about 3/4 of the way. So bring your dumbbells tight now. Get all the way down and up just to like that 3/4 position. You're gonna keep the tension in those triceps, and we're gonna really burn this out. Now that you have the movement down, increase that pace and keep moving. Don't lock those elbows. Keep them strong, let's go. You guys got 5 seconds to go, come on. Down and drive it, that's it. Feel that burn in that chest a little bit. Last few reps on those tries, and good. Drop that right to the skull crushers, and now burn it. Get back there, feel that stretch, and then just work. Give me some good pace, let's go. All the way down and drive. Now that last 10 seconds, again, all the way down up to halfway only. Just those little pulses. Come on, all the way down up to about halfway. Just that little position, don't lock those elbows out. 3, 2, 1, and good, way to burn it out, good set. Okay, everybody, last and final set. We're going single arm snatch, right side. Here we go. We're gonna go right side, For 20 seconds, we're gonna get right to the left side, and you're gonna finish this round with burpees. We'll go over those burpees when we get there. Let's go. Dip between the legs, pull that weight right in front of the chest, and snatch it through the ceiling. So all together, dip at the waist, right in front of the face, punch the ceiling. Let's go to that left arm, same exact thing. Dip, drive it, let's go. Down and go. Get that arm over your head. Feel like you're punching it through the ceiling and ripping it right in front of your face. Nothing out in front of you, right? Straight up the body. Get that body moving. Let's finish this day strong. Come on. 5 seconds, and we're gonna get right to those burpees. Here we go. Weight down. If you can get that chest to the ground, I want you to do it all the way down here. You jump forward, and then you jump up. If you can't do that, you're gonna put your hands on the ground. Jump back without the chest going to the ground. Jump forward and jump up. Give me 10 more seconds. Let's go. Chest down, jump forward, jump up. Chest down, jump forward, jump up. Last rep, and quick rest, and we're gonna get right into this next set. Okay, that was a quick rest. Round 2, right arm snatch. Let's go. 20 seconds. You're not fully squatting. That weight should end up right between those knees and then right up top. That's it. Come on. Inhale, brace. Exhale to top. Inhale, exhale. Keep this up. Last few reps, and we'll get right into that left arm again. That's it. Get that left arm down, dip right between the knees, snatch it up. Get that arm going. Got a little lower body in there. That's okay. Come on. Get that arm up there and work it. And you guys know what's next, right into those burpees. Come on, 10 seconds to go. Snatch it right up, down, straight up overhead. In 4, 3, 2, good. Put that dumbbell down, 20 seconds of these burpees, let's go. Give me some good pace, back, forward, up, and go for it. Come on, I'm with you guys, let's go. Get those arms up when you jump, big high up in the air. Reach up there and do it, 10 seconds, come on. That's it, last few reps, come on. Down and drive, go to that regression I showed you guys in that first set if you can't handle. And rest. Round 3, here we go, get ready. All right, everybody, last set, right into it, right arm, let's go. Dip and drive it. Show me what you got on this last set. This is where you pick up the pace, not slow it down. Down and go, come on. Get that arm up there, hit that ceiling like I've been telling you all set, and we're gonna go right to that left side. Come on, dip, punch that ceiling, fire up that upper body, and burn it out. Right to that left. Here we go, left arm, down, punch it. That's it, everybody. Come on, finish this set strong. Guys worked hard today. Quick workout, fast, a lot of upper body, but you guys worked it hard. Now finish it. Down and go, 10 seconds, and you guys know it. Finishing with the burpees. Let's go. 4, 3, 2, and good. Drop that dumbbell. Let's go, guys. 20 seconds. Come on. Give me as many as you can. In this 20 seconds, jump high through the ceiling. Get that chest down if you can. You know the deal. And let's finish this round. Come on. Guys got 8 seconds to go. That's it. 8 seconds. And you guys are out of here. Finish it up in 3, 2, 1. Awesome work today, everybody. Great job. All right, everybody, that is it. That was quick but tough, and I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. Remember, like, subscribe, turn those notifications on, and leave a comment below. Let me know how the workout was. Let me know how you did. And if you want to see any specific workouts, lengths, different body parts, whatever it is, let me know. I'd be happy to bring it to you guys. Have an awesome day and great job.